Here we go. Let's begin with full excitement, okay? Today is 2nd of July and we are beginning with day 1 of the magic book reading session. We are taking a fresh new notebook. We have left 6 pages and 6 columns or 6 pages where we have written 6 areas of our life and whatever we want. Now, are you okay with the language? Is it okay if I talk in flow only in English? Is there anybody who want me to talk in Hindi? You can raise hand. I can speak both the languages, but कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि टोटल इंग्लिश बोल दिया तो किसी को क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है या टोटल हिंदी बोल दिया तो भी I mean, it's like that. How is it? Is it okay for you all? So I will follow the language code. If you are okay with what I'm saying, okay, as and when I'm going in natural flow, Hindi English mix, fine. Okay, great, Chavi. Let's move ahead. Now we understand the rules of the game. Let us take it as a game. We are playing a game with the universe. What is the game? Fulfilling all our wishes and desires. Okay, so far so good. So let us talk about the rules quickly and then we will go for day 1. So yesterday, though I went through the rules, it was very brief and very quick. Today, we will be doing it with little care and I will highlight what things you have to pay attention to. You may even note down something if you want, okay? अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप कुछ नोट भी कर सकते हो. 1 second. Yeah, here we will start from here, the rules of the game. Bringing magic into your life. And you are going to read it also, okay? So if there is no background noise around you, इसको ना बड़ी शिद्दत से करना है दोस्तों. To do it very, this is something very serious what we are doing. We are spending so much of time of our life, precious time, no? Right? Our Haripriya has to study. मुझे तो वो है कि she should get every minute value of it. And yeah, first thing, thank the people who have sent you here. Okay? उनके लिए जरूर धन्यवाद कीजिएगा. अभी तो नहीं करोगे, 28 दिन के बाद तो जरूर करोगे आप. ठीक है, चलो. Bring the magic into your life. Let's read. I will highlight where the rules are. आपको कभी कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है, you are free to raise your digital hand. Explanation will be done for it. Okay, who's going ahead to read? Who's reading? Yes, may raise your hand. कोई भी पढ़ सकता है. स्क्रीन पे या आपके पास अपनी बुक है तो भी. हितेश, हरिप्रिया is expert. चलो हरिप्रिया से शुरू करते हैं. हरिप्रिया, will you be able to read?
Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead.
Day 1, count your blessings.
No. We are reading this. What is there? No matter. Bring magic in your life. Why we are reading this? Because I want to highlight some of the rules of the game. Yes.
No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. I have received letters from thousands of people in the worst imaginable situations who have changed their lives completely by practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in health where there seemed to be no hope. I have seen marriages saved and broken relationships transform into magnificent relationships. I have seen those in total poverty become prosperous, and I have seen people in depression catapult into joyful and fulfilling lives. Gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful and meaningful relationships, no matter what state they are in now. Gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things you want to do. It will increase your health and bring a level of happiness beyond what you've ever felt before. Gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase success, and bring about your dream job or whatever it is you want to do. In fact, whatever it is you want to be, do, or have, gratitude is the way to express it. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold.
hold on. यहाँ पर मेन पॉइंट क्या है? लिसन. अब जब आपने ड्रीम्स लिख रहे हो तो हम ड्रीम्स को कैसे लिखेंगे? 3 वेज में. प्लीज पे अटेंशन फ्रेंड्स. यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इट इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे. एंड व्हाट इज द पर्टिकुलर वे? बी, डू एंड हैव. बी माने आप जो बनना चाहते हैं, डू माने आप जो करना चाहते हैं, हैव माने आप जो पाना चाहते हैं. I will give you one example. If we take the area of health, okay, So in area of health, अभी मैंने यहाँ लिखा area of health, I write B, B-E-B. So what I want to be? So in area of health, I want to be very energetic. I want to be happy. I want to be slim and trim. So what you want to be? Okay, आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? तो B में लिखना है health में, ठीक है? I want to be cheerful. I want to be slim. B. Then do. What do you want to do? So I want to be healthy. Okay, fine. Or I want to be of say 60 kg weight or 50 kg weight or 80 kg weight. B. Then comes do. So with that health, what would you like to do? So I would like to run a marathon, or I would like to do yoga every day, or I would like to go for world tour, because अगर आपकी health अच्छी है तो ही आप जा पाओगे ना. I had been to Ladakh. It was so damn cold. अगर मेरी body fit और strong नहीं होती तो मैं वो लद्दाख enjoy ही नहीं कर पाती. Isn't it? So what you want to do with that health? So I want to travel around the world, correct? Or I want to exercise, or what you want to do with that health. I would go around the world, move around, have marathon, correct? So what you want to do with that in the area of health. And then comes have. What you want to have with that health when you have that good health in the area of health. So I want to have very long hair. I want to have this color eyes, whatever you want. See, don't think कैसे होएगा अभी तो change नहीं होएगा ना अभी तो don't think that. Just write down what you want. Listen to me. Okay. Be, do, have. If you're writing in the area of career, so what do you want to be? I want to be famous. I want to be rich in the area of money. Okay. B ho gaya. Do. What do you want to do with the money? What do you want to do in the career? So I want to be the boss. I want to employ 50 people in my office. ठीक है? What do you want to do? तो अपने करियर में आपको 50 लोगों को एम्प्लॉय करना है या आई वांट टू सर्व पीपल. It's up to you in your life what you want to do. Okay. Then what you want to have. So I want to have my own cabin in my office. Correct. What do you want to have? I want to have this much salary. I want to have my own car. I want to have allowances. There should be canteen in my office. There should be air condition. Should be नहीं लिखना है. I have. वैसे करके लिखना. Be, do, have में लिखना है. Language matters. Is it clear? Please show me a thumbs up if you're understanding. अभी आपको लिस्ट कैसे लिखनी है ये रूल ऑफ द गेम है. बी डू हैव करके लिखनी है. मैं क्या बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ और मैं क्या पाना चाहती हूँ. ठीक है. दैट इज द रूल ऑफ द गेम. वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. आई गॉट इट. इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. अब हम दूसरा रूल देखते हैं. यस. सॉरी फॉर ऑल दिस. यस. यस हरिप्रिया.
As you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong and why certain things might be missing from your life. As you make gratitude a way of life, you will wake up each morning so excited to be alive. You will find yourself completely in love with life. Everything will seem effortless. You will feel light as a feather and happier than you ever felt before. While challenges may come, you will know how to overcome them and learn from them. Every day will be magical and every day will be filled with far more magic than when you were a child.
These are the results, outcomes. ये 28 दिन के बाद या जैसे जैसे आप इस जर्नी में आओगे इतने खुश जैसे आप हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. चैलेंजेस रहेंगे लेकिन आपको पता है क्या करना है, वो आपको छुएंगे नहीं. तो इज योर लाइफ मैजिकल. Yes.
You can tell right now how much you have actually used gratitude in your life. Just take a look at all of the major areas in your life: money, health, happiness, career, home, and relationships. The areas of your life that are abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and are experiencing the magic as a result. Any areas that are not abundant and wonderful are due to a lack of gratitude. It's a simple fact. When you're not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You've stopped the magic from continuing in your life. When you're not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationships, more joy, more money, and the advancement of your job, career, or business. To receive, you have to give. It's the law. Gratitude is giving thanks, and without it, you cut yourself from the magic and from receiving everything you want in life. The bottom line of ungratefulness is that when we're not grateful, we're taking things in our life for granted. When we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking them from ourselves. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. Remember, whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Most certainly, you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life.
ओके अभी इधर सेकंड पॉइंटर बता रही हूँ, ठीक है। सेकंड पॉइंटर रूल ऑफ द गेम क्या है, लॉ क्या है, ये पूरा जादू कैसे करेंगे हम, कैसे चलेगा। पहले तो अपनी सारी लिस्ट बनानी है, इसको 1 दिन लगेगा, 2 दिन लगेगा। जिसने उसको अपडेट नहीं किया है कोई बात नहीं फ्रेंड्स, टेक अप सम टाइम एंड राइट डाउन। 2-3 डेज लगे कोई बात नहीं, पर अच्छे से ऑर्डर दे दो। सेकेंड पॉइंट है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक। समान समान को आकर्षित करता है। मतलब जो भी, अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड देते हो तो आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड मिलेगा। आप कौन से फीलिंग में हो वैसी फीलिंग को आप अट्रैक्ट करोगे। अगर आप अपसेट हो, आप देखोगे कि हर चीज सॉरी आपके आसपास वैसी होगी। और एवरीबडी, एवरीथिंग विल लुक टॉपसी टरी, एंड व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी, यू आर फ्लाइंग, एवरीबडी इज हैप्पी। So like attracts like. It's not only about looking at the world, but you will attract. And this is the law. Okay. And you need to be grateful. आपको हर चीज के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना है इन 28 दिनों के लिए। कोई लॉजिक नहीं लगाना है फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ द बुक। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके ड्रीम्स का सवाल है। करेक्ट। इट्स नॉट दैट चलो देखते हैं ड्रीम्स होते हैं कि नहीं, 101% होंगे। You met some people yesterday who came and you shared. Correct? They came all the way, from the busy schedule. There were hundreds and thousands of people who can come and share. Correct? But it is not about that. It's about your own trust. So what is the magic formula? Knowledge is the treasure, but practice is the key to it. So we all know, okay, gratitude karna hai, theek hai. But when you apply that knowledge, key can open. बहुत लोगों को पता है ना हेल्थ के बारे में। कोई बताएगा मुझे कि अगर वेट लॉस करना है तो क्या करना चाहिए? सभी को पता है वेट लॉस में। हार्ट हेल्थ चाहिए तो क्या करना चाहिए? हार्ट थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है हार्ट का, तो सबको पता है। फेयर स्किन चाहिए तो क्या करना है? बेसन लगाओ, हल्दी डालो, ये करो, एवरीबॉडी नोस। केसर खाओ। नॉलेज इज देयर, बट व्हाट इज द की? प्रैक्टिसिंग इट। ओके, चलिए। सो first thing, when you are bringing, how does this magic work? First thing, you should say thank you. अभी का आपका जादू वर्ड क्या है? जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं आब्रा का जाबरा। What are the other magic words? चलो, हैरी पॉटर में, I don't know about हैरी पॉटर what were the words, but I know खुल जा, सिम सिम, ऐसे वाले वर्ड्स है ना। तो आपका मैजिक वर्ड अगले 28 दिनों तक, तो उसके बाद तो हो ही जाएगा, पर होगा क्या? थैंक यू। It is so important to live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life. Thank you must become 2 words you deliberately say and feel more than any other word. दिन भर में आप इतने शब्द बोलते हो, लेकिन thank you is the bridge where you are now and where you want to go in life. Are you getting me? Hello. Thank you is the bridge. तो जो आब्रा का जाब्रा, खुल जा सिम सिम, ऐसे वाले वर्ड्स हैं, तो आपका वर्ड क्या है? थैंक यू। और उसको बहुत फील करना है। अभी किस चीज के लिए, स्लोली हमें पता चलेगा। तो व्हाट इज द मैजिक फॉर्मूला? यस, ओवर टू यू हरिप्रिया।
Deliberately think and say the magic words thank you. The more you deliberately think and say the magic words thank you, the more gratitude you feel. The more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you receive. Gratitude is a feeling. So the ultimate aim is practicing gratitude is to deliberately feel it as much as you can, because it's the force of your feeling that accelerates the magic in your life. Yes. Newton's law is 1 for 1. What you give, you receive equally. That means if you increase your feeling of gratitude, the results in your life will expand to be equal to your feeling. The truer the feeling, the more sincerely grateful you are, the faster your life will change. When you discover how little practice it takes, how easy it is to incorporate gratitude into your daily life, and when you see the magical results for yourself, you will never want to return to the life you used to live. If you practice gratitude a little, your life will change a little. If you practice gratitude a lot every day, your life will change dramatically and in ways that you can hardly imagine.
Okay. So, Abhi, how much time will it take for the dreams to come true? As much time as you practice gratitude, as much as you are in feeling of gratitude. Okay. So these are 28 chapters. अब इसमें मैं और एक important वाली point यहाँ पर आपसे बताऊंगी कि ये क्या what you need to do. Okay, here it is. So second, third important thing क्या बोली मैंने? You can make notes. I don't mind. आप point note करें क्या है rules game के. Third rule क्या है? Feeling. जितना ज्यादा फीलिंग में प्रैक्टिस करोगे, ये पूरा चैप्टर, ये पूरा बुक है ना, प्रैक्टिस का है. रीड तो हम ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, कुछ करने वाले हैं हम. और जो जितना फीलिंग से करेगा उतना जल्दी उसके ड्रीम्स जो है कंप्लीट होंगे. सिंपल. जो कम करेगा उसको कम मिलेगा. न्यूटन्स लॉ. जितना दोगे उतना पाओगे. यस, नाउ फ्रॉम हियर यू रीड.
You don't need to clear a calendar because each of the practices has been specifically created to fit into your everyday life, whether it's work days, weekends, holidays, or vacations. Gratitude is portable. You take it with you wherever you go, and then wherever you go, the magic happens. If you miss a day, you will most likely lose the momentum of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practices again from there.
स्टॉप. दिस इज द रूल ऑफ द गेम. नेक्स्ट रूल क्या है? आपको अलग से बैठ के कुछ काम नहीं करना है. बस यही जो आप 35-40 मिनट्स 1 आवर यहाँ बैठते हो, बिकॉज सम चैप्टर्स आर बिग, सम चैप्टर्स आर लॉन्गर, सम आर शॉर्ट. जो यहाँ समय देते हो वही. यू डोंट हैव टू टेक आउट अ स्पेशल टाइम एंड डू. दोज हु हैव कम हियर फॉर द सेशन, और लगता है बाप रे हम क्या ज्वाइन किया है, कैसे होगा, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये आपके डेली एवरीडे लाइफ में फिट हो जाएगा. ग्रैटिट्यूड इज पोर्टेबल. अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो भी आप ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. ओके, वेर एवर यू गो यू हैव टू टेक मैजिक विथ यू. इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, लिसन हियर प्लीज. इफ यू मिस अ डे, एक दिन मिस हो गया, अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, you will most likely lose the momentum, that is the speed of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, अगर एक दिन मिस हो जाता है, करना नहीं है. Don't do that. Don't take risk. Okay. And if you have intention, you will not miss even single day. But if you miss up single day practice, ensure that you count 3 days back. मतलब if we are on day 5, आपका डे 5 मिस हो गया, तो हरी प्रिया आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगी?
Second day.
हाँ, 4, 3, 2. So you will start magic practice number 2, magic practice number 3, magic practice number 4, and then you will come to 5. तो अगर आप एक दिन मिस करें तो आपको 3 दिन पीछे जाके सारी प्रैक्टिस वहां से शुरू करनी है. तो अगर हमारा 28 वी स्टार्टेड से टुडे 2 जुलाई एंड वी आर एंडिंग ऑन से 1 अगस्त, तो आपका 5 अगस्त तक जाएगा प्रैक्टिस. समझ गए? तो आप उतना 3 दिन पीछे कोर्स खत्म होगा आपका. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. यस.
Some practices are designed for the morning and others are designed to do throughout the day. So read each day's practice first thing in the morning. Some practices will need to be read the night before because they begin when you wake, and I will tell you when to do this. You might want to read the next day's practice every night before you go to sleep in order to be prepared. If you do, make sure to reread the practice again in the morning.
Okay, stop. So what I'm saying is, practices we are doing it in the night, but first thing you will do it in the morning. Okay, so I will send this what you call screenshot. You can take the screenshot when the practices are shown and practice early in the morning. जिसके पास बुक नहीं है, जिनके पास बुक है वो तो प्रैक्टिस कर ही सकते हैं. अब हम शुरू कर रहे हैं डे 1. डे 1 मतलब आपको क्या करना है? कल से सुबह में उठ के प्रैक्टिस करनी है. अभी सिर्फ सुन लेना है और सुबह में वो करना है. ठीक है? अब Day 1, day 2. We will do it tomorrow. Or maybe ek din aage bhi gaya, no problem. We'll go slow, we'll go surely and see that you complete. And if still anybody wants to join the group, they can. Okay, they can join because we are still in the beginning. अभी तक गाड़ी ने speed नहीं पकड़ी है. तो if anybody wants to join, you want कि अरे मेरी ये friend को भी बता दूं आना चाहिए, तो you can send them. Okay, the link and contact Siddhi on the group WhatsApp. She will support you for that. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला दिन. मतलब कल आपको क्या करना है? कल आपको काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग करना है. काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? यस, रीड हरिप्रिया.
When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Willie Nelson. You will have heard people say to count your blessings, and when you think about the things you're grateful for, that's exactly what you're doing. But what you may not have realized is that counting your blessings is one of the most powerful practices you can ever do, and it will magically turn your whole life around. When you're grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, you will see those things instantly increase. If you're grateful for the money you have, however little, you will see your money magically grow. If you're grateful for a relationship, even if it's not perfect, you will see it miraculously get even better. If you're grateful for the job that you have, even if it's not your dream job, things will begin to change so that you enjoy your job more and all kinds of opportunities for your work will suddenly appear.
All, 1 second, all kinds of opportunities for your work will suddenly appear. Suddenly you will become lucky. You'll say, Arey, wow, how did you become? You say that sometimes, Arey, ye to bahut lucky yaar. Arey, lucky yaar, he got. You are going to become lucky all the time, every day. Thing is, you have to count the blessing. You have to be grateful for the things you have. I have got this as earpods, right? So I can say, oh, I don't have an, what do you call that? iPod. I don't have this. Rather than be grateful, at least I have this. ओके, तो नो मैटर व्हाट यू हैव, जितना भी कम है, जैसा भी है, पहले जो है उसके लिए थैंक यू बोलना है. ठीक है, वो दिखना चाहिए कि मेरे पास ये तो है. यस, आगे बढ़े.
The flip side is that when we're not counting our blessings, we can fall into the trap of unintentionally counting negative things. We count negative things when we talk about the things we don't have. We count negative things when we criticize or find fault with other people, when we complain about traffic, waiting in lines, delays, the government, not enough money, or the weather. When we count negative things, they increase too. But on top of that, with every negative thing we count, we cancel out blessings that were on their way. I have tried both, counting my blessings and counting negative things. So I can assure you that counting your blessings is the only way to have abundance in your life.
Two things here. First thing, you count your blessings, it will increase. But if you talk about faults, faults in other people, faults in yourself, fault in the world, in the country, in your family, in your neighborhood, in your society, they will also increase. फॉल्ट इन द वेदर, अरे क्या गर्मी है, अरे ये बारिश आती नहीं है यार, आती है क्या चिकट कर देती है यार, क्या क्या क्या. तो सावधान, सावधान, व्हाट यू कॉल दैट, बीवेयर, कॉशन. क्या अगले 28 दिन तक आपके मुंह से क्या शब्द निकल रहे हैं? क्या आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हो? तो आप मोर कंप्लेन अट्रैक्ट करोगे. ऐसी चीजें आएंगी कि आप कंप्लेन ही करते रह जाओगे. और अगर आप थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू बोलते हो, शुक्र है भगवान का, थैंक यू सो मच, तो आपको वो मिलेगा. रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, दिस इज अगेन रूल ऑफ द गेम. क्या? नो कंप्लेंट्स, ओनली ग्रैटिट्यूड. क्योंकि अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं करते हो तो अननोइंगली आप कंप्लेन कर देते हो, पता भी नहीं चलता. और अगर हम कंप्लेन करते हैं तो वो चीजें भी बढ़ जाती है, क्योंकि लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक, न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ द मोशन. यस, प्लीज रीड.
Better to lose count while naming your blessings than to lose your blessings to counting your troubles. First thing in the morning or as early in the day as you can, count your blessings. You can write out your list by hand, type it in a computer, or use a special book or journal and keep all of your gratitude in one place. Today, you are going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life that you are grateful for. When Einstein gave thanks, he thought about why he was grateful. When you think about the reason why you're grateful for a particular thing, reason, a particular person or situation, you will feel gratitude more deeply. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feeling. So, with each item on your list, write the reason why you're grateful for it. Here are some ideas for writing your list. I am truly blessed to have what, because why. I am so happy and grateful for what, because why. I am truly grateful for what, because why. With all my heart, thank you for what, because why. After you finish making your list of 10 blessings, go back and read each one either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each blessing, say the magic words 3 times: thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful to the universe, God, spirit, goodness, life, your greater self, or any other concept you are drawn to. When you directly gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel it even more, and your gratitude will even have more power and create even more magic. It's the reason why indigenous and ancient cultures chose symbols like the sun to direct the gratitude toward. They were simply using physical symbols to represent the universal source of all goodness, and focusing on that, the symbol, they felt more gratitude. The practice of counting your blessings is so simple and so powerful in altering your life that I want you to continue to add 10 more blessings to your list every day for the next 27 days. You might think it could be difficult to find 10 things you're grateful for every day, but the more you think about it, the more you realize how much you have to be grateful for. Look closely at your life. You have received and are continuing to receive so much each and every day. There is really so much to give thanks for.
ओके जस्ट होल्ड हियर। तो कल का प्रैक्टिस क्या है, और ये जो प्रैक्टिस है ना, ये हम रोज करेंगे। ध्यान से सुन लीजिए। ओके, व्हाट आर यू सपोज टू डू, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स? as early as possible when you wake up in the morning. So what do you do? जो आपने बुक बनाई है अपनी, उसको अपने बेड के बाजू में रखिए। Keep it close to your pillow. Is that clear? अपने सिराने रखिए। सुबह में उठते ही, मुंह धोने के बाद, या as soon as you wake up, take some time. Hitesh, we are getting up early. You can still take 10-15 minutes time. First thing you do after you go to the washroom, wash your eyes, wear your specs, take the pen and start writing. What are you going to write? You are going to write 10 blessings in your life. 10 blessings आज के लिए मतलब I am so grateful. मैं इतना धन्यवाद मानती हूँ भगवान का, क्योंकि, किस लिए? तो मुझे ये घर देने के लिए, क्योंकि इसमें मैं कितना सुरक्षित महसूस करती हूँ. सो आई एम ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल हाउस बिकॉज आई फील सो सेफ एंड सिक्योर्ड इन दिस. ठीक है, तो आपको वाई भी लिखना है, क्यों, और थैंक यू लिखना है चीजों के लिए. इज दैट क्लियर? 10 things you have to write. So first thing you wake up, you can, I'm so grateful for the beautiful sleep or the peaceful sleep I had because I'm feeling so refreshed. It makes me feel so healed. कि जब आप सोते हो थके हारे, सिर दुख रहा है, हाथ दुख रहा है, टूइंग सो जाते हो. And when you wake up, fresh new day, right? So like that. So I'm so thankful for the sleep. I'm thankful for my bed sheet. I'm thankful for the air condition. Because it makes me so comfortable, it gives me a good sleep. Because लिखना जरूरी है. Okay, and कौन लिखता था? Einstein. So we are following that math. Is that clear? And this practice you are doing for remaining 27 days. हर रोज सुबह में उठने के साथ आपका पहला काम होगा कॉपी पेन उठाना और लिखना 10 चीजें जिसके लिए आप धन्यवाद दे सकते हो प्रभु को. अब आप प्रभु को बोलो, अपने गॉड को बोलो, अपने गुरु को बोलो, यूनिवर्स को बोलो. ठीक है, इट इज, यू कैन डू इट टू एनीबडी. ओके, चलिए, तो ये दिस इज थिंग, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. अब आगे देखते हैं. यस, तो अब रोज रोज क्या लिखने का? अब बोलोगे प्रगति एवरीडे, यस एवरीडे 10 ब्लेसिंग्स, यस. तो रोज रोज 10 ब्लेसिंग्स कहाँ से लाएंगे? तो फर्स्ट डे आई रोट फॉर माई स्लीप, आई रोट फॉर माई बेडशीट, आई रोट फॉर माई पिलो, आई रोट फॉर द एसी. ओके, आई रोट फॉर माई नाइट ड्रेस, माई स्लीपर्स, एवरीथिंग. अब रोज रोज क्या? फॉर 27 days 10 blessings. So here writer is giving you some idea. Listen carefully. Yes, Haripriya.
You could be grateful for your home, your family, your friends, your work, and your pets. You could be thankful for the sun, the water that you drink, the food that you eat, and the air that you breathe. Without any of them, you wouldn't be alive. You could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the oceans, the birds, the flowers, the plants, blue skies, rain, the stars, the moon, and our beautiful planet Earth. You could be grateful for your senses, your eyes that see, your ears that hear, your mouth that tastes, your nose that smells, and your skin that enables you to feel. You could be grateful for the legs you walk on and your hands that you use to do almost everything, your voice that enables you to express yourself and communicate with others. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well and that all your organs that maintain your body so that you can live. And what about the magnificence of the human mind, which no computer technology in the world can duplicate? Here is a list of subjects that will remind you of major areas you can look for blessings to be grateful for. You can also add any subject you want depending on what is important to you at any time. Magic gratitude subjects: health and body, work and success, money, relationship, passion, happiness, love, life, nature, planet Earth, air, water, and the sun, material goods and services, any subject of your choosing. You should feel significantly better and happier after each time you count your blessings, and how good you feel is your measure of how much gratitude you felt. The more gratitude you feel, the happier you will feel, and the faster your life will change. Some days you will feel happy really quickly, and the other days it may take longer. But as you continue to count your blessings every day, you will notice a bigger and bigger difference in the way you feel each time, and you will see your blessings magically multiply.
Magic, when you start practicing this, ये वाला आप जो प्रैक्टिस कल से हम करेंगे, आप देखोगे कि आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स, मतलब जिन चीजों के लिए आपने धन्यवाद दिया है ना, वो ऐड नहीं होंगी, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? मल्टीप्लाइंग एक्सपोनेंशियली. मतलब आप बोलोगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक 4 2 जा 8, करेक्ट? 4 4 जा 16, 16 हो जाएगा. 4 + 4 8 नहीं होएगा, 4 4 जा 16 हो जाएगा. इतना फास्ट आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स बढ़ जाएंगी और आपको लगा वाओ, द लाइफ हैज मैजिकली changed. Did you understand the first day's practice so that I can tell you what is the practice for the next day? Reminder, कल का practice हम आज पढ़ते हैं. So चलिए, magic practice number 1.
First thing in the morning, make a list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. Write why you're grateful for each blessing. Go back and read your list either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each one, say the magic words thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. Repeat the first 3 steps of this magical practice every morning for the next 27 days. Read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Okay, tomorrow's magical practice also we will read today. Yes, it is this. The magic rock practice.
Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Find a magic rock and put it by your bedside. Before going to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. Say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened. Repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days. Read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Okay, so let me explain you now. Day 1 and day 2 are very, very crucial because we are going to continue it for remaining 28 days. First day practice, everybody clear? Just you can unmute or raise your hand or show me a thumb. Are you clear with the day 1 practice? You have to be very clear क्योंकि हम 28 दिन तक करना है और ये मेन गियर है, एक्सीलेटर है. तो आपको उठने के साथ अपनी बुक पेन लेना है जितना जल्दी हो सके. मैं तो खाली सुसु करके आ जाओ, मुंह धो के और लिखने लग जाओ. क्या लिखोगे? आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर द बेडशीट, फॉर द एयर, फॉर द सन, फॉर दिस लाइफ, फॉर माई आईज, फॉर माई हैंड, बिकॉज. ओके, बिकॉज लिख के क्यों आप थैंकफुल हो वो लिखना है. सारे यहाँ पर टॉपिक्स दिए हैं और टॉपिक्स का आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, नहीं तो मैं भेज दूंगी. ठीक है? क्योंकि अगर आप दूसरे दिन उठे और आपको पता नहीं चला किस चीज के ले लूं तो आप वो टॉपिक वहां से ले सकते हो. फर्स्ट थिंग, क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? 10 blessings. Don't write 11, don't write 6, don't write 7. How many? 10. Okay. Now for tomorrow. Okay, in the session you come, you have to bring a normal rock. Rock is a small stone. एक पत्थर छोटा सा जो आपके हाथ में आ जाए. इट शुड बी स्मूथ, इट कुड बी राउंड, करेक्ट, इट शुड नॉट बी पॉइंटेड एंड इट शुड फिट इन योर हैंड. ठीक है. और कोई ऑर्डिनरी पत्थर कहाँ से मिलेगा? गार्डन से मिल जाएगा, फिश टैंक से मिलेगा. बहुत छोटा भी नहीं लेना, खो जाएगा. बहुत बड़ा भी नहीं लेना, मुट्ठी में आप थक जाओगे. ठीक है. तो एक पत्थर लेना है आपको, स्मूथ होना चाहिए, नुकीला चुबीला नहीं होना चाहिए. प्लास्टिक नहीं लेनी है, कांच नहीं लेना है, क्रिस्टल नहीं लेना है, पत्थर ही होना चाहिए. किसी के पास है यहाँ पर मैजिक ड्रॉप? यस, यू हैव. कैन यू शो इट टू अस नाउ? आई थिंक साहिब आपके पास भी है. आप भी आपका स्टोन दिखा सकते हो प्लीज? तो आप ये फिश टैंक में होते हैं, थोड़े से बड़े हो तो बेटर है. गार्डन वार्डन में मिल जाएंगे आपको. एक रॉक, भूटान में बहुत अच्छे रॉक्स थे, लेकिन वहां से लाना. यस, हरिप्रिया, हरिप्रिया, आई विल पुट स्पॉटलाइट ऑन यू. ओके. यस, सी दिस. यस, ये वाला. ओ सो स्मूथ. हैव यू पेंटेड इट? नो.
No, me and
अच्छा.
my dad got it for ourselves 4 years ago.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. और किसके पास है? साहिब के पास है. साहिब, आई विल स्पॉटलाइट यू प्लीज. हाँ, ये वाला दिखाइए वापस. ऐसे स्मूथ है. ओके, आपके हाथ में फिट हो रहा है, राउंड है, स्मूथ है. ठीक है. आप इसको कलर भी कर सकते हो बाद में. वेरी गुड. एंड ओके, क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? So by tomorrow you have to get a rock. Okay. So here we come to the close of the session. Any questions you have regarding the practice or anything you can ask. Otherwise we will close with gratitude. Can we? Now before we close, let me tell you, every day after the session, immediately when you log out, write down what is your takeaway. What is one or 2 points that you understood, or you are taking it, जो आपके जहन में बैठ गई. कौन सी 2 पॉइंट्स आप लेके जा रहे हो यहाँ से? ठीक है. जो एकदम आपको समझ, जैसे लाइक अट्रैक्ट लाइक हो सकता है, कुछ भी जो आपको कैच हुआ है वो आपको इमीडिएटली टाइप करना है. माय टेक अवे फ्रॉम टुडेज सेशन. ओके, 2 पॉइंट्स. डन. चलो, लेट्स क्लोज विद ग्रेटिट्यूड. एंड फ्रेंड्स, बी ऑन द कैमरा. ओके, टुडे इज द फर्स्ट डे. And those who are on camera, thank you for being on the camera. Thank you for joining this practice. Let us close with gratitude to the Supreme Lord, Divine Father, Divine Mother, personally to my teacher, all the great, great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, spiritual helpers, all the gods and goddesses, beings of internet, beings of Zoom, beings of electricity, Rhonda Byrne, all the participants, your families, my family. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all. Thank you, everybody. Good night. Have a beautiful day tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you. Put your takeaways.